Hi guys, it's Miss Ainsley. Today we're going to make an ocean-themed sensory bin with some soap foam in it. So what you need for this activity is a bowl, a tub, or a bin, a hand mixer, a 1/4 cup of warm water, some cornstarch, some dish soap, blue food coloring, and these items were sent to you in the mail. Some of your foam sea animals. We've got crabs and seahorses and dolphins and whales in there, and some plastic sea creatures. So what you want to do first is pour your 1/4 cup of warm water into your bowl. And then we're going to need 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. All right, here's our first tablespoon of cornstarch. And our second tablespoon. The cornstarch helps to thicken your mixture and make it more foamy. So if it ends up too runny, you can always add more cornstarch and dish soap. So now we need 2 tablespoons of dish soap. 1. This makes it smell good. And 2. Now we're going to add just maybe 1 or 2 drops of our blue food coloring. Just to make it a light blue color. So here's what it looks like now with the cornstarch, the warm water, the food coloring, and the dish soap. And we are going to mix this with the hand mixer until stiff peaks form. So there's what your stiff peaks should look like. You take your blender out and they have a little point at the top. All right, so now we have our soap foam, and this shall stay fluffy for about 10 minutes of play. So you can see the consistency here. If it is too runny for you, you can add more cornstarch and dish soap, like I said before. But this should stay this consistency for about 10 minutes. And now we're going to add in our foam animals and our sea creatures. So I'm going to sprinkle a few of these in here. You don't have to add your whole baggie if you don't want to. Some sharks, and some seahorses, and some whales, just so we have all the animals in there. All right, that's fine. And now we can add in some sea creatures. So I have a dolphin, plop him in there. I have a crab, a seal, a stingray, an octopus, a starfish, 2 more here, a different type of seal, and a shark. All right, so now we've got all our animals in. We have this pretty blue foam, and we can play and mix all of them all together. And it feels very cool on my hands, even though there was warm water in there. When we whipped it all together, it made it feel cooler. It's very squishy. You can squish it and squeeze it. And Again, you can take this outside since it gets a little messy if you'd like to. And you can hunt for your little animals and shapes that you put in there. And if you want to, you could get a second bin of water and create a little bathing station and rinse all of your animals off. So I'll show you how to do that really quick. I grabbed a bowl of water and I'm gonna go hunting for some animals here and try to, maybe I can feel and guess what they are. That'll be harder with the foam shapes, but it might be fun to do with the figurines. All right, I feel a lot of legs on this one. I think it might be the octopus. Let's rinse it off in our soapy, make some soapy water here. And ta-da! The octopus is all clean and I was right. I felt his 8 legs. I'll show you one more here. I feel fins on this one. And it could be my shark or my dolphin. They feel pretty similar. Let's see. Rinse this one off. It's the shark. All right, guys, and you could keep playing like that or make an even bigger batch and have more foam to play with. And after 10 minutes, it will start to turn into just regular soapy water with some cornstarch in the bottom. But it's fun to play with while it lasts, and you kind of get 2 sensory bins in one if you fill another one with water and create a second station. So I hope you enjoyed making the ocean-themed sensory bin, and I will see you guys next time.